Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chrysler 300 gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button inside your vehicle. It's usually found on the driver's side, often near the dashboard or the floor. Simply press this button firmly, and you'll hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. This simple step makes refueling your Chrysler 300 quick and easy. If the electronic release doesn't work, don't worry, there's a manual option. Head to your trunk and look for an emergency release cord. This cord is usually located on the driver's side, behind the trim panel near the fuel filler neck. It's often brightly colored, like yellow or green, making it easy to spot. Give it a gentle pull to open the fuel door. Sometimes the issue isn't mechanical but simply an obstruction. Before trying anything else, check around the fuel door for any debris, ice, or dirt that might be preventing it from opening. A quick wipe or gentle nudge can often solve the problem. If the hinge feels stiff, a small amount of lubricant can help it operate smoothly. Remember to always turn off your engine before you start refueling for safety. Also, try not to overfill your gas tank. Stopping when the pump clicks off helps prevent spills and protects your vehicle's emissions system. And hey, while you're taking care of your car, why not treat your feet? Check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're seriously comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.